What's up, YouTube? We're here at my shop, Southern Ceramic Solutions, where normally we do auto detailing, ceramic coating, headlight restoration, paint corrections, things of that nature. But I've been seeing this Rustoleum Turbo Can spray paint, and I had a 90 model S10 with paint blistered and clear coat peeling, and I thought, why not? So we picked up about 6 cans, which is, just on a side note, not enough. We made it, but it was close. Didn't do any body work. Just grabbed the Rustoleum and sanded it down, done some wet sanding, got it slick as possible, and went to putting on some paint. Now, in this video, what you won't see is we did do 4 coats of Glamour Clear, just regular clear coat, done it from a high volume, low pressure on top of this Rustoleum. It turned out really good. You'll see at the end of the video. We don't normally do things like this, but we thought we would give it a go. We had some orange peel that was in the clear coat. Currently in the process of wet sanding and buffing that out, and so far what I've done, it's come out really slick. I'm kind of overly impressed with this Rustoleum Turbo Can. I actually got a friend that's a body guy, and in the area we are in northeast Alabama, he's telling me, I would have spent $4,000 to paint this truck, and the job that it has, like what it turned out would have been like $4,000. So I mean, I can't complain with the outcome. It's a pretty good product from what I can tell. Now, like I said, we've done the 4 coats of Glamour Clear on top, and that's plenty so far as wet sanding and buffing. I'm not getting into the paint. It's turning out really good, slick. I would recommend this to anybody looking for a DIY paint job. I mean, it's pretty fast and it's effective. The turbo can's got a really good spray. Not sponsored by Rustoleum. Not sponsored. I used a lot of Harbor Freight sandpaper. I mean, all in, I'm under $500, probably under $350 for the paint and the clear. All in under $5, I would say $450, $475. For what it is, it turned out really nice. So, I mean, I have no complaints with the product. Y'all smash that like and subscribe button, see what other crazy things we come up with. But enjoy the rest of this video and like and subscribe, see what we get into.